The skincare industry is failing you, and it's time we get real about why. Everywhere you turn, there's a new product promising flawless skin, a miracle serum, an anti-aging cream, a hydrating mask. But let's be honest, how many of these products actually deliver? Here's the truth. Many of these products are packed with synthetic chemicals, fragrances, and preservatives that might feel good at first, but often disrupt your skin's natural balance. Over time, they can lead to irritation, dryness, and dependency on more products. It's a cycle designed to keep you spending, not to fix the root cause of your skin concerns. The industry thrives on complexity, pushing 10-step routines filled with overpriced products. But what if I told you there are simpler, more natural ways to care for your skin? Ways that don't break the bank? For example, have you heard of tallow? It's a traditional, nutrient-rich moisturizer made from grass-fed beef fat. It's simple, natural, and closely mimics your skin's natural oils, making it a powerful alternative to chemical-laden moisturizers. Another option is raw honey. Known for its antibacterial and soothing properties, honey has been used for centuries to cleanse and heal the skin. It's an effective, natural alternative to harsh cleansers that strip your skin's protective barrier. Then there's aloe vera, straight from the plant. It's soothing, hydrating, and free of the synthetic additives found in so many skincare products. It's an incredible option for calming irritated skin. Let's not forget oils like jojoba, coconut, and olive oil. Pure, single-ingredient options that nourish your skin without the long list of chemicals you can't pronounce. And the best part? These alternatives are not only effective, but also affordable. You don't need a $100 jar of cream to have healthy, glowing skin. The skincare industry has failed to prioritize simplicity and your long-term health. But you don't have to keep buying into their cycle. Natural, single-ingredient options like tallow, honey, and aloe vera remind us that skincare doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. If this message resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's rethink skincare together. See you next time.